I saw Iron Man. It's a snake.
Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
We're going to downtown. Say hi. Hi, guys. Hi. Oh, show them the flowers. It looks nice. Looks nice. Oh my goodness. What is that face, Jeffrey? Going downtown Vegas.
I don't even remember wherever you guys, I'm down. It's better than
Finally here. You ready, Jeffrey? Peter Parker. Where's Peter Parker?
He's raising the roof.
Where's
Raising the roof.
Where's Peter Parker, Jeffrey? Boo! Jem, are you ready? Jem?
Look at that.
We have an elevator too. Ready?
You know it.
I would have voted Boys Men just for the hometown vibe, but take it with the man behind us.
Hold on, Jeffrey. Hold on. You're gonna give
Louis
me
Vuitton. Louis Vuitton?
Baby, it's Louis Vuitton.
It says Louis.
It gives like silent S, I believe. I don't know. It's Louis Vuitton.
Louis.
It's Louis Vuitton.
Louis.
It's not Louis. Oh my god.
Avengers?
3 and 2. Oh my god, it's the Hawk. Wow. Baby daddy. We're here at the Avengers. What is the station? Look at that. Look, it's Iron Man.
Like 200.
Captain America, Thor, and the Hulk.
220, so you're good to go.
Look at this fool. You're actually losing. You're not winning.
I won. What are you talking about?
You didn't. You didn't win. Look, I got a picture of you, but it's still in process.
I'm supposed to get a picture of the Iron Man with my face on the screen. Dodo, that's just me standing there.
It's because you can't do that. There's too much light on it.
Okay, come on.
I got the Captain America. What you got, baby? Iron Man. He got Iron Man. I got Captain America. Hey, show me what you got, baby. Here, show me what you got. Black Panther. You like the Black Panther? Oh yeah. Gemma. She wanna be in a green screen too.
Did you see what he really wore here? Did you see his suit, Jeff? Yeah.
It's the real bike.
Oh, hold on.
What is this? And I think that's also a real jacket that he wore. She wanna touch it. You wanna take it home, Gemma? It's Vision. Oh my goodness. I'll touch it. Yeah, I'll shoot. It's Vision, Gemma. It's Vision. Natasha, the Black Widow. It's Clint. What is there, baby?
Ant-Man.
Ant-Man?
Look at the ants.
Oh my god, look at the ants!
Come jump on that. Come step on the ants. Let them step on it.
Aww. Loki.
Yeah, Mom.
She's trying to get the Hummer or something. That's so huge. Looks so real. Oh my goodness!
Oh yeah.
It's Iron Man, baby. That's a lot of suits. I saw Iron Man. Iron Man!
Attention all agents, important instructions coming in.
Come on, let's go! Pass the task. We killed all the villains. I was Thor, actually. Are we? Yeah, we're going downstairs, so there's an elevator. No, escalator. Not yet. Ah, we're done. I beat them with my hammer.
It is. Me to put a shield.
I was Thor, and he was Captain America.
You have a little photo ID ticket.
Oh my god. That looks nice, actually. Look at them.
And then we've got you in the Battle of New York.
Ooh, that looks nice.
By the Age of Ultron. Then we'll send you into space with the
Guardian of the Galaxy. Oh my god.
Which one you like, Jeff?
And last but not least,
Ooh.
Wakanda with the Black Panther.
A few inches later.
Shops here, a lot of variety, a lot of
Guys,
dining,
it's the first time
bars,
I'm ordering
liquor
chat
there,
time
because it's the old part of Las Vegas.
through Uber Eats. So I'm really excited. I'm editing the vlog from, let's see, when we went to, when they tried like the Filipino restaurant with my babies. So I'm really excited. I'm still like in the middle of editing them. We are here. I'm editing them right now. Like I said, my order is for like around 3 o'clock. So what time is it? It is 2:50. Alright, so 3 o'clock. My order is ready. Guys, so I ordered chat time. Promo tea.
A few moments later.
Oh my god, it's Prada and Louis Vuitton right there. They got Tom Ford here too. Dolce & Gabbana, Tiffany & Co as well. Rainforest Cafe.
Snakes and shit.
Is it real?
Up there now. Up there.
We're at the Rainforest Cafe. It's very unique and it's nice. Woo woo! There's a lot of baby look. That's actually nice. I know. It's so weird. Oh, gorilla. You want to sit on gorilla?
I'm ready. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
We are here at the Rainforest Cafe to have lunch. We still haven't eaten lunch.
2, one more time, guys. We're gonna break. 1, 2, 3.
She's scared of the gorilla. Because there's like a statue of gorilla. She's really scared. Oh my god, this is like the most unique restaurants I've ever been. Baby, look, I think you can sit right here too. See, it has like smoke and stuff. It's like smoke. So cool. I'm gonna sit right here. The smoke, look at it. Babe. Babe. Here's smoke. You ain't smoking none. Yes, no, you're not. Oh my god, I like it. Is that real? Oh, I was about to say. Oh, look, it's a butterfly too. They have, look at this elephant, guys.
Everything's alive, but you never know. I don't know myself. Oh, your safari guide will be right with you guys. Enjoy the meal.
Thank you.
She's so excited. I think I'm gonna order rib steak and shrimp trio. Oh my god, Gemma. Oh my goodness. It's getting crazy out here, Gemma. It's getting crazy out here, Gemma.
Which one of them you like, honey? Look at them, tell me which one you want. Let me see. I want to see if she remembers.
Ooh.
Which one? I didn't see it. Which one, honey, you want?
No, it's very fruity actually. It doesn't even taste like alcohol.
Which one?
I mean, I can taste a little bit, but what is it?
Yeah, that's what I'm scared of. I'll be buying all 5 of them. Thank you.
Oh, it's a margarita. It's actually good. Coconut kiwi margarita. Do you want to squeeze this kiwi? Or no?
I like those glasses, but that's how it looks at
No,
night.
zip line for me.
What they see, life score.
No, zip line. Look at this.
That looks like fireworks.
4 queens now. This is Old Town Road. Very good bang for
It's
your
a
buck.
monkey.
20 minutes to the money. Everything's weird about.
So we're here at Rainforest Cafe in Vegas. Lunch.
You're 10 miles.
We're waiting on our order.
Not big at all.
Sugar Ray, free concert. Yeah. I remember Sugar Ray. Did you really make that big?
Look at that. It's monkey. It's my sister. My sister Trisha is a monkey. Come on, Gemma. Oh, so you can actually go outside too, you guys. Look. And here's the view outside. You can see like the tower and more buildings. Oh my god.
It's so windy out there.
I know.
So get the Prada, the Tom Ford, like a giant person. Here, I think she's scared of the monkeys. That's a big grill.
Hey, there's a nice hotel there too. New York.
Oh yeah, I have a picture of that.
No, but inside it's got all different kinds of themes. So
Oh my, baby, we have to go there.
Yeah, it's kind of unusual stuff.
It's really nice out here. It's the first time that we went in Vegas. That was just like 2 nights. No, 1 day and 1 night. No, it's just like 1 day actually. No, 2 nights, 1 day. Okay. Oh my god. My other sister, Sydney Trisha. Just kidding. Oh, and then Gigi. Sydney Trisha and Gigi. Food is here. Mine. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Where's yours, love? Yeah.
I'll take another one.
You want this little piece of pizza? Start a fire. Here you go, honey.
Oh, thank you.
Of course. All right, everybody in my rainforest, we have a very special birthday in our house. We're going to sing our rainforest song for you on the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy, happy birthday. All of us to you. We give you something special. We made it just for you. We hope you have a super fine, terrific day. So happy, happy birthday.
Yay! Thank you. Thank you.
And you get multiple wishes today. Happy
Thank
birthday.
you.
I know.
Woohoo!
Bring her the bill.
Thank you.
Birthday girl.
Gemma, you want to blow the candle, Gemma?
I don't
Jama,
Yeah, honey, thank you, man.
you wanna blow the candle? You wanna blow it? Alright, alright.
Oh God.
Wait a minute. Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, I gotta have that.
Ah!
Yay! In the hot tub after this. Later.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the, what is it called? Belmont?
I thought we were doing that.
You been
Like
here
the
before, baby?
strawberry. Yeah, we've been here.
You've been everywhere.
I was like, we've been everywhere. I've been everywhere. It's a Paris. Ooh.
Come on.
Where are we going? Paris. Eiffel Tower. Hey guys, so we're here at the strip where you guys can see the Eiffel Tower. They have like a mini Venice, Italy and stuff right here. So they pretty much copy everything. So we're just waiting here. It's like water. I don't know what they call, but we're waiting on like the fountain, I think. And then after the fountain, we're going to Chocolate Factory. After.
Some more.
In there, it's like a bag of Hershey. It's pretty bracelets.
Give it to me. I'm like, thank you.
Yeah, I'll keep it for free, dude.
Glad you're having a good time, yo.
This is a nice view here. Hi, Gemma. It's actually nice.
You're running into people.
So windy. Oh my God, look at that. Guys, look at these flowers. Oh my God, look at that.
Girl, this is a birthday present.
All this stuff's being made.
There's a lot of flowers in there.
Remember, it's in the corner of one of the things. How close are we to it? Yeah, I'm talking about it.
What's up here? It's falling from the ceiling. It's going all the way down. It's different chocolates. White chocolate, dark chocolate.
Yum.
Well, that looks like ice cream.
Some of them look like ice cream. What is it? Is it ice cream? Gelato?
It's heaven. There it is. Hold on.
Cheese.
You want to eat some of mine, honey? All right.
We're walking back to the garage. I mean, parking garage. Cosmopolitan of Las Vegas. On the way home, guys. Damn. No, this one, because he got the bubble bath soap.
Yeah.
The pink one.
Yeah. I'm probably going to go on the other one eventually. I think we should go golfing and stuff. Yeah. I think that'd be one of the other ones.
What time is it? 11 in Maryland, right? 10?
I don't know what time it is here right now.
Wait, what time is it, babe?
Somebody?
Jeffrey! He hiding or something. Look at him. Who's naked? She was like, shh. This boy.
Hey, you little piglet.
Oh shoot, I forgot. Yeah, I started editing. Hold on, let me just transport all the videos for today. Where is my... Alright guys, so I'm just gonna end the vlog here since everybody is tired and I'm tired as well. Because I think in Maryland it's already like late, like 11 o'clock in Maryland. What? So yeah. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.